The Tennessee Department of Health says more than 160 people died of an opioid overdose in Hamilton County last year. More than 70% of those cases included the drug fentanyl. Local 3's Elise Zwick joins us live in the studio with more. Elise.
I spoke with a mother who lost her son to an overdose in 2019 during his time at a treatment facility. She has since turned her pain into advocacy, trying to help other families struggling with the current overdose epidemic.
Our story is a little bit different than most, I think. He actually died in the treatment center on the 14th day.
Brenda Purcell says her son was just 30 years old when he overdosed on opioids. He was working towards sobriety at the facility when an illicit drug made its way to him, and he OD'd in the recovery process.
Unfortunately, security failed, It's really sad. It shouldn't have happened in treatment. You might expect it would happen in someone's home or on the streets, but certainly not treatment.
This heartbreak led Purcell to find purpose in her pain. She started working with the Tennessee Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse to learn what was missing and began sharing her personal story to help others.
The more research that we have on this, it's helping us better in our treatment mechanisms. But I think Tennessee still has a long, long way to go.
In Hamilton County alone, around 160 people died of overdose deaths in 2021. The CDC says 136 people die per day from opioid overdoses, and over 150 people die every day from overdoses related to synthetic opioids like fentanyl.
Fortunately, we're right on the cusp here of Hamilton County doing some major good new things.
She works closely with the Hamilton County Health Department. They added 3 advocates who introduce opioid-addicted patients to helpful resources, grief support groups at Hospice of Chattanooga, and other sources for families.
Addiction will suck the life, and I use that word often. It sucks the life out of the family if you're not careful.
Purcell started a support group, Moms of Overdose Loss, at Hospice of Chattanooga. She says she will continue to fight hard to eliminate this epidemic by speaking up for more social service, more education, and more support groups for families to increase awareness. More information on opioid addiction services can be found inside our app. Reporting live in the studio, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.